to welcome you back to my channel. It's your girl Lee of iknowlee, and hopefully you enjoyed that extremely dramatic intro, but I am quite excited about today's video. I was asked to bring you guys more makeup tutorials here on my channel, so that's what we're going to do. So if you're new to my channel, I do videos primarily centered around natural hair, but I also like to throw in travel, makeup, and fashion, more lifestyle content. So if you're here for it, then make sure that you hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications. And of course, you can also follow me on all other social media networks at iknowlee. Charlotte has just dropped a bomb on us, and we're gonna use all of her new products from her Pillow Talk collection in today's video. Alright, hi guys, welcome back. We're here with a very fresh tan, and I'm giving you like, it reminds me of like a cat, but this is like my natural lips because I don't have on anything because we're gonna dive into the Charlotte Tilbury collection. I just got this in the mail. I got a beautiful care package, so don't mind my lips. We're gonna put something on this, okay? Vibes, vibes, vibes. This is the Pillow Talk times because Charlotte Tilbury basically expanded their Pillow Talk collection. It's one of their best-selling lipsticks, and they decided to make it a whole range. Speaking of the base, I did use my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Foundation, and this one is new. I actually have two colors in this one, but this one is kind of fitting me right now because I got a little tan. And this is Cool 15, and I do have warm 15. I probably should have used that, but it's neither here nor there. This is the foundation that I did use today. It's flawless. So I'm probably gonna work like a little bit backwards because I gotta get rid of like this whole little lip situation before I move on to anything else. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips, then I'll do my eyes, and then I'll do my cheeks. So the collection does come with 3 lip liners. We have the regular Pillow Talk Lip Cheat, and then there is Pillow Talk 2 in medium, which is like this beautiful brown. And then there's Pillow Talk 3 in intense, which is more of a chocolatey brown. So I'll swatch all 3 of these on the back of my hand, and then we'll figure out which lip color we're gonna go with. Intense is the top one. Then we have the medium, and then the bottom one is Pillow Talk. Now, obviously, I can use like the normal Pillow Talk, but it is a tinge bit light for my skin. So I'm actually going to go with the intense one, which is the deeper brown one. We're looking even better now, and all I have on is lip liner. Charlotte Tilbury does make some amazing lip liners. If you've never tried them, Foxy Brown is one of my favorite lip liners. And it's very rare to find a brown like that for darker skin tones. So, you know, just try it. Now, the collection also comes with 3 lipsticks. These are the exact same 3 shades as the lip liners. So we have Intense, Medium, and Pillow Talk. So here are the 3 shades. Swatch. This is Pillow Talk. That is medium, and that is intense. Intense is actually not a matte, it's more of like a creamy formula. So I think that I'm either gonna actually go with Pillow Talk or with medium. I'm gonna go ahead and go with Pillow Talk. I don't know why I did such a dark liner. I thought that I was gonna go with intense. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna go ahead and use Pillow Talk on top, and if all else fails, I'll just go back to the medium liner and kind of shape it. But I think it'll be just fine with the combination that I'm using. We shall see. Alright, I like that. New combination on the way. There are a few more lip products in the line, but I am going to wait until the end, and I will show you guys those products a bit later. But for now, we're gonna move into the eyes. This palette, wow. I mean, look at that. So this is the Pillow Talk Instant Eye Palette. Ugh. It's just so much. It is blinding. I love it because it's broken up into 4 sections. One of them says day, desk, date, and then dream. Ooh, look at the shades. I know, I mean, come on. In the collection, there is also 2 other palettes. So there is another kind of like your classic Charlotte Tilbury quad, and this one is in Pillow Talk. This is the luxury palette of Pops. So it's literally just palette filled with poppy, shimmery shades. There are no mattes in this palette whatsoever. And then of course, I also received the classic Pillow Talk palette that I've used before. So I did get another one of these, but I'm just going to show you guys my original one. So I of course am going to go in with the Instant Eye palette because I am drawn to this palette. I'm going to focus on the neutrals in the middle, and they are under the date tab. So this is number 7, 8, and 9 in the palette. I'm going to start off with 7, which is kind of like that lightest neutral nudie brown, and I already primed my lids with my concealer. So I'm literally patting the product in. I am getting a bit of fallout, but not too much. It's kind of normal with your mattes. Now for my brow bone, I'm gonna go into the Desk palette and use shade number 4. And this is a Morphe E28. I'm just going to pat that right under my brow bone for now, just to set it, and it'll make it easier to blend as I move on. Now I'm going back to my Sigma brush, my E40, and I'm going to go into shade number 8. And it's slightly deeper than the previous shade. Okay, so lately I've been liking to like take a darker shadow like right here and like deepen up my brows up against my nose line. I love that. So I'm still using the same brush. I'm going to go into now shade number 9 underneath the date tab also. And I'm really going to deepen up that crease. Like really deep. These shadows are pigmented. They're smooth. They're easy to blend. And I just kind of like the luxuriousness of the palette. It is quite lightweight too, so I think that this is going to be really good for travel. And if you go slightly overboard, then just kind of blend it out. I'm going to use the brush that I used earlier. Blend. This could already just be a look. Smaller brush, and this is a Zoeva brush, and I'm going to use Date again, but shade number 8, and I'm blending this underneath my lash line. So as far as the mattes in the palette, they are a go for me. I am going to move into the other new Pillow Talk palette. This first shade says Prime, right? And it's almost like this duochrome, very champagne pink. So I'm hoping that it's more of like a sheer topper, because that's what I'm going for, because the look is very beautiful. It's very natural, but I think that like just a sheer, like glittery, sparkly top would like really set it off. And I'm going to use my finger. I think I'm going to go with shade number 3. Let's just see how it looks. Oh yeah, okay, yeah. It still looks very natural, but you can see the difference in this eye and this eye. It's really pretty. And I like that. And I know that a lot of people out there are looking for a bit more like your neutral, everyday wearable looks. Looks that like anybody can do. And I definitely think this is one of them. I'm also going to attempt this with a brush and just see if it performs. Sometimes, you know, shadows like this. Oh, nope, never mind. I'm just going to clean up like the crease and the edges with the brush primarily. And then going back in with a tinge bit more brown. Okay, almost done with the eyes. Almost. I'm taking shade number 1 in this palette, which is that pretty pink that I originally wanted to use. And I'm using that in the inner corner. That's gorgeous. Oh my word. This is definitely more of like a topper shade, so it works really well for the inner corner. You can tell how highlighted and like how bold and big my eyes look. I love it. There is an eyeliner in the collection. It's almost like a burgundy brown, and it's also in the color Pillow Talk, but I love that it's quite dark, so I am going to go ahead and line my eyes with this. That's pretty. It's not too much, you know, it's cute. Alright, so for cheeks, of course, she has the Pillow Talk Cheek to Chic palette. Now, This one is in Intense, and Intense is the kind of darker color wave. So I'm excited about this because normally the blushes don't really translate on my skin. I think this one will. This is a Real Techniques brush. Let's see how this looks. So in the middle it is a bit shimmery, and then on the outside it's a bit more matte. I just kind of swirled it all together, and we're going to see if it shows up, and it does. This is giving me like very soft glam. I could see myself wearing this as like a everyday blush, and I don't really wear a lot of blush. Because it's so soft, I feel like, you know, you could easily pull it off. And even the shimmer in it is quite subtle. There's also some Pillow Talk highlighters, the Beauty Light ones. And it comes in 2 shades. One of the shades is medium and one of them is Pillow Talk. I know for a fact that Pillow Talk usually tends to run a little bit lighter, so I am going to try medium. I would have liked to seen an Intense with these though, but let's just see how they work. I am going to squeeze a little bit out on my hand first, you know, to see what the color is. Oh, a nice brown skin, girl friendly. So let's see what Pillow Talk looks like. Look at who was presently surprised about that. Okay, here's Pillow Talk. Okay, Pillow Talk is going to be a little light. It's the one at the bottom. So I'll stick with medium, but on the squeezy tube, this part twists on and off. Isn't that neat? I've never used a product like this, and I'm not gonna lie, it kind of scares me, but gently go in with it and see what it does. Okay, surprisingly easy to blend. It gives more of like a glow from within. Do you see it? Like there's none on this side, there's some on this side. This is interesting because as you can see, it is a very natural glow, but I don't know if it's something that I would just be like, ooh, let me grab that product. I also feel like it gives you kind of like a slight patchiness on the face. Like where you put it's a little sticky, so it slightly picks up product off of the skin. It's not, you know, terrible or whatever, but I can still see it. Now I'm going to put on a bit of mascara on my bottom lashes. My top lashes do have extensions, so I'm not going to wand those up or anything. And I don't have a Charlotte Tilbury mascara, or at least I can't think of one that I may or may not have in my collection. So I just use the Urban Decay Perversion mascara. It works really well. I like it. I'm here for it. Now to finish off the lips, we do have 3 more lip products. I threw away the boxes for these, and then I realized that not all of the products have the name on them, so I'm sorry. But they all are in the shade Pillow Talk. Every single one of them. It's just that they're different. I think this one was like a collagen lip something. I'm pretty sure that this one is a gloss. And this one, I'm not really sure. I don't know if this is another form of a lipstick or what. So I'm going to use all 3. Why not? I'm going to use a little bit of this one. Oh. This one is moisturizing. So it might be like the Pillow Talk lipstick, but more of like a moisturizing, like kind of like your day-to-day throw in your purse type of lipstick. It's going to keep your lips hydrated. That's what this feels like. And then I think that this one is the Collagen Mask. I tried this one on my lips yesterday. And the doe foot applicator is a freaking hard. Oh, the details. Can't even really see it, but it's hard. And it smells minty. So hopefully this plumps my lips. And now I'm just going to pop this on top because why not? A girl can never have enough lip products. Well, well, well. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I was going for kind of like your extremely natural everyday glam look. This is definitely like a soft glam. You could wear this during the day, during the night. I mean, this is one of those show-stopping, simple but yet very, very stunning looks. It's giving me very red carpet, 90s glam vibe. And of course, to transition it into night, you can just put on the darker lip. That's what I would do. So I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Hold up, hold up. Yeah.